Welcome to this guided meditation on the law of vibration. This is the second guided meditation of 12 in our series exploring the 12 laws of the universe. And this series of meditations is inspired by the launch of my book, 12 Laws of the Universe, Your Guide to the Essentials. So the law of vibration says that everything in the universe is constantly moving and constantly vibrating at different frequencies. And when specifically referring to our energies and how they affect our surroundings, the vibrations that we release attract similar vibrations towards us. So we can think of ourselves as energetic tuning forks. By consciously shifting our inner vibration, we enable ourselves to align with the vibrations of states that we desire, such as peace, calmness, abundance, love, and wealth. The intention of this meditation is to bring awareness to your current vibration and support you with aligning with your highest self. So as we prepare for this meditation, get into a comfortable position, whether that be sitting or lying down. And if you feel safe doing so, you can gently close your eyes or have a light gaze, allowing your eyelids to relax. And focusing on your breath, take a deep, nourishing breath in through your nose. And after a brief pause, exhaling out slowly through your mouth, allowing your body to relax as you become present in this moment. Continuing to inhale and imagine yourself drawing in peaceful energy, and as you exhale, releasing any tension and any stress. As we begin this meditation, picture yourself as pure energy. Imagine yourself peeling away the limitations of our flesh and removing the boundaries that we can feel at times from our physicality. See yourself as vibrating and radiating. Envision a warm light engulfing you, and that warm light is pulsating with a peaceful rhythm. This rhythm is the energy of you. Now visualize yourself resting in a completely silent room. Even though it's silent, you can feel the buzz of the subtle vibrations surrounding you. With every cycle of breath, you become more harmonized with the vibrations within you and with the vibrations surrounding you. Now, as you continue to connect with this elevated state, listen to and repeat either one or all of these affirmations which resonate with you. I am a being of energy, vibrating in harmony with peace, calmness, abundance, wealth, and love. I attract experiences that align with my highest vibration. With every breath, I elevate my vibration and align with my highest self. Take a moment to either silently or aloud repeat whichever affirmations resonate most with you. On your next inhale, allow yourself to truly feel these affirmations and feel yourself aligning with the highest, most vibrant, and radiant version of yourself. Now, as we bring this meditation to a close, slowly bring your awareness back into your body and to this present moment as you gently wiggle your fingers and your toes, taking a deep breath in and taking your time to exhale. When you're ready, taking your time to slowly open your eyes. If you've enjoyed this meditation and want to deepen your understanding of the 12 laws of the universe, I'm so excited to invite you to sign up for more information about my book called 12 Laws of the Universe, your quick guide to the essentials. You'll find the link in the description for more information. And remember to subscribe for more guided meditations, both in this series, but also other guided meditations as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. I look forward to connecting with you at the next meditation.